Okay, we're about to put our best foot forward with Marcus from Dynamic Outdoor. Marcus, how's it going?
Yeah, very good, thanks.
Good. Okay, so tell us a bit about what you do.
So we're here doing slackline displays today. We do slacklines, circus skills, hammock hire, a variety of different things really. But we kind of do it for every market. We do festivals, corporate events, team building sessions.
Do you know what? I'm thinking it might be better if you tell me all this while you're actually on the line. I think that might be more interesting, because you were talking and I was like, we need some fireworks here, we need some drama, some magic.
Right, let me jump up on a line for a second.
Obviously not putting Marcus under any pressure whatsoever.
No, none at all. None at all.
But you're a natural at this, so this should be like a walk in the park to you, really, or a walk on a
slackline.
Okay, so how long have you been doing this for, Marcus?
I've been slacklining for about 6 years.
Look at this. This looks effortless. You don't even look like you're trying here.
No, not really. This is the easy part.
Right.
I'll do some more difficult things in a second.
Right, okay.
But yeah, I've been doing it for about 6 years. I started off at uni, and then I actually started off setting up an online shop for the slackline community in the UK. Okay. And then we started getting asked to do events, and so we started doing events, teaching, doing shows, performances, and then it just little by little grew into what it is today. So it's been quite a nice organic growth of the business, which has been awesome.
Okay, so what kind of people would you have walking on your slack lines?
Everybody. Literally, we've had people from like 2-year-olds to 80-year-olds come and have a go at it.
You've got an 80-year-old up here?
No, not on this one. But on the little ones, yeah. We've got loads of people on it. They love it.
I would love to see an 80-year-old on a Zimmer frame trying to walk down this. Okay, well, let's get you up here. Let's get you showing us how it's done, okay?
Do you want to stand back a little bit just in case this is a little bit wrong?
Okay, just in case it's... Oh, right, okay, look at this, man. This is fantastic. Oh, Andy's up. Okay, that was very impressive, very impressive. And so for someone like me, how long would that take me to learn how to do?
How dedicated are you?
Could we do it in like half an hour?
Nah, a couple of, I'd say if you're really willing to put in the work, a couple of weeks, you could learn to get your basic tricks down. But generally the way we try and teach it, we get people walking first and really understanding how the line moves. Because obviously you can see here now, even just like trying to be as still as I can, it still wobbles, still moves. So it's very important to know how things move. And then from that you can start learning to do more dynamic tricks. So yeah, we start off with like static stuff and then go on to dynamic stuff afterwards.
Okay, now you look like you've got this. If I was to tickle you, do you think would you still be able to balance? I just want to make
you can try, but I'm not very ticklish.
Slightly harder, okay. So as you can see here, I'm tickling Marcus and perfect balance. Tickling, ruffling his hair, tickle. Nothing. Look at this man. He's absolutely on face. What a professional. Brilliant, mate. Brilliant. So where have you been with the line this year? What all festivals have you been to?
Well, it's a few little festivals. Dronamo. We did one down in Cornwall for a yoga hub, and then lots of Total Warrior we did as well. Yeah, lots of different events all around the country really. We've been everywhere from Cornwall to the Lake District. That was actually a wicked event in Lake District. We did one which was set up slacklines right behind the lake. It was beautiful. 3 days there, 25 degrees, stunning. It was absolutely awesome.
Okay, now obviously you've got this down to a fine art. Are you one of those people who could walk a line in between two really high buildings? Is that the sort of thing you can also do?
I'm learning, put it that way. The higher you go, it's more about mental capacity then, and you start into a whole different battle. I've done highlining a bit. Tom's the better highliner than I am, but it's definitely a totally different world, totally different challenge. I have utmost admiration for the guys that do it, and obviously the well-known guy that most people know is Philippe Petit, who did the wire walk over Twin Towers. He's kind of the most famous guy, and yeah, it's just incredible, absolutely incredible.
Hey, maybe we'll see you doing that, I don't know, from the Shard to the Gherkin in London, who knows, that could be your next challenge.
Yeah, it could be, it's definitely in there. We were looking at doing one across the Thames this year, but unfortunately the project didn't quite come off, so we're working on it for next year now. So that would be pretty amazing if that happens. Right,
can we see a little bit of walking then? Can we see you in action? I've seen you bounce. Obviously you've got great balance here. This is amazing. What other tricks have you got? I know this is very good. Oh, whoa! Oh my goodness. I actually didn't expect that. That is absolutely class. Look at him go. Marcus, you're fantastic. Well done. Thank you very much. Is there anything you can teach me in a quick space of time?
Yeah, I reckon we can get you walking.
Right. Okay. Let's go. Let's do it.
All right, come on.
Right. So, yeah. Teach me the basics.
So slacklining is all about balance, and your balance mainly comes from your arms. So your head is your sort of focus point. Keep your head still, and that should help keep everything else in balance. And then just to kind of control stuff, you use your arms. So as you saw me there,
right.
My arms are always moving, and the head's pretty still, and everything else is just nice and relaxed.
You look like a girl at a Take That concert. Okay, so I should be able to balance with this microphone, yeah?
Yeah, I'll give you a hand just in case.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Get your arms a little bit higher.
Oh. It's wobbly. I feel like I've had about 6 pints. Why is it wobbling? Settle me! Settle me! I can't stop!
Right, put a little
Hold
bit
on.
on your knees and turn your feet straight.
Whoa, that was just going for days, huh? I'm not very good at this.
It takes a little bit of time to learn. It took me about 6 weeks from finding out what a slackline was, going out twice a week to be able to walk a line about 4 meters long.
That was quite scary. And we're only 2 foot off the ground.
You can see now what I was saying about when you take it 20 meters off the ground and even higher than that, it gets pretty scary.
Well, mate, thank you very much for trying to teach me how to slackline. You're a gentleman, but I think we've got some more work to do.
Yeah, a little bit. But stick around and we can get you doing it.
All right, okay. Come back later to see the better results.